Hey, what's up, man? Project Dunner here. Today, I'm going to be presenting something atypical of anything dealing with the aquarium. It's the Vinsic camera lens for iPhone series. I do not have an iPhone, by the way. Regular Android, LG G4 to be exact. So this is the box it comes in. That's a bit hollow. This stuff fits in here, and plastic casing. And this is all the instructions you get: specifications, features, and about the company. So you can go ahead and take a sneak peek at your specifications. I'll go through these specifications as soon as possible. The features follow, and if you want to read about the company, you got 5 seconds to. And yeah. Alright, so let's get right into business. Enough with the talking. So let me show you how this came in the packaging. There's a casing for that one, right in that, and also for that one, and then the holster. Alright, that's how you find it in the box. So what this video is primarily going to be showing you is 1, how to use it with your Android phone, and 2, what you need to know about it. Alright, so it's aluminum, well designed. The ring you see behind the lens is magnetic, so I'll show you where that attaches to. The part's not actually here, it's attached onto my phone. That's a modification I did in effort to let it work for Android. It's very simple, easy to undo as well. Alright, most of you guys are going to freak out about that, but I'll show you. Okay, so we took off the caps, put that aside. Let's start with the fisheye lens, 180 degrees. So the reason I'm using my phone, well, I usually use my phone to video, I can show you the difference. So you can actually get a first-hand view of how each works. With the modification on my phone camera, you'll see how it works. I'll show you how I did the modification. So let's go right ahead and see the difference with this. Alright, so what we're going to use is the box. So this is your box. Alright, I'm going to put this onto the camera. There we go. So that's the view the fisheye gives you. Yeah, 180 view. You can now see some of the laptop and beyond the edge of the table on this end. You can see the fisheye view, pretty much like the GoPro. Alright, I'll take it off. Back to normal. You see the difference. You see a good example of what the difference is. Alright, so the next lens. This is a combination of a macro and a 0.67 times wide lens. The macro I think is 9 times. Alright, let's go right ahead and put in. Alright, that's your wide view. The wide view does not vary much from the fisheye view, but you don't have much of the fisheye view effect. You see the edge of the table as well, some of my laptop, and you see there's a little tint on the edge of the phone screen, as you can see. I'll take it off my stand. So you see the roundedness. That's the only downside to having the wide view. I would personally use the fisheye view. And we're back to normal. Let me just set this back on the stand. Alright, so this is the interesting part. So all these cameras stated 3-in-1 lens. You see 2 lenses here. I initially got worried. Function 3-in-1 fisheye, wide angle, and micro lens. Alright, so we already talked about the fisheye, 180 degree, but the wide and macro lens are in one, as you can see here. Now this standard unscrews. Well, it doesn't unscrew this easy. I had to do some pliering. You probably will see some bruises on it there. Yeah. So this is the macro lens, and this is the wide lens. What the wide lens provide was the wide view, and what the macro lens provided was the view itself, the magnification. Alright, as you can see, this has the magnet on the back, the magnet ring. This does not. So this cannot be attached to your phone without this part. So let's go right ahead and put this in. It's gonna get blurry, I should warn you. And it is very blurry. Now check this out. Look at that. Optimum view. So I'll use my finger. There we go. So that's your macro lens. I'll take it off now before you guys get annoyed. Alright, so I went through everything, most of the parts. This sachet comes as well, microfiber filament, which is key for not scratching your lens, obviously. Alright, so I've showed you all the parts except the part that attaches onto my phone. How am I going to do this? Is via a mirror. Alright. Sorry about the flash. I can't take it off. But that's the part attached around my camera. I'll go a little closer. Alright. As you can see, I do usual modifications to my phone. Alright, we're back. So, with that being said, since this does not fit onto my phone, due to it not being an iPhone, I had to use an alternative. And that's by putting it onto the camera itself. What I used to put it on was silicone, actually. Just a little spots of silicone on the edges of it to keep it onto the camera, and you can take it off and clean it anytime you want to. If you change your lenses, if you lost the lens and you bought a new pair or a new set, you can easily change it. Alright, so since we went through everything, I could run through the features for you. So the feature states, fit iPhone series. Obviously you saw I do not have an iPhone. 3-in-1 lens, the fisheye, the wide angle, and the micro lens. Detachable lens kit with magnet. The magnet is the ring around it. Easy install, remove. No need to screw the lens anymore. This is a bit falsified since we had to unscrew it from each other. So top grade lens, I won't give it. I didn't pay a lot for these. Made upgrade high class glass. Take wonderful creative photos at any time, anywhere. Fiber bag, convenient carrying during traveling with no scratches, obviously. Compact and lightweight. Alright, so that's about it for everything you need to know about this. I will be posting some videos using them. You guys can tell me how did that go. Alright, peace out.